current research work represents the effect of surface texturing in the sliding surface on tribological characteristics of alloy steel under wet condition. Introduction. In the recent era, surface texturing has become an area of interest for the researcher where they can modify the surface topography of the material. Surface texturing plays a significant role as it can directly influence the tribological characteristics of the contact surfaces in many ways. In texturing, tribological performance basically depends upon the type of design texture used and the method of fabricating the texture on surfaces. The materials and experiment method used. In this research work, friction wear characteristics of the surface textured EN31 alloy steel have been investigated under wet conditions by using DEWCOM linear reciprocating tribometer. The texture dimples are fabricated by two methods, that is micro EDM and micro drilling CNC machining process. Initially, untextured surface of EN31 alloy steel with EN8 steel pin are experimented for friction wear analysis under two lubricating oil, that is ISO 68 and ISO 220. Then after, texture surfaces were investigated by using optimized ISO 68 lubricant. Figure represents the rectangular array fabricated on EN31 steel materials. The surface texture density is calculated by using TD is equal to pi d square divided by 4KL, where D defined the diameter of dimple, K and L defined the side length of the micro dimple unit. This table represents the dimple parameters of textured surface for friction wear test analysis. Here two cases has been considered for 5 and 10% texture density. For 5% texture density, where the diameter of the dimple was 500 micrometer, and for 10% texture density, the diameter of the dimple was 700 micrometer. Result and discussion. The effect of lubricant. Figure represents the effect of normal load on friction coefficient as well as on wear loss. So this observation indicates that the oil film of ISO 220 oil does not remain stable and it is going to be breakdown during the rubbing action that can lead to poor friction and wear characteristics as compared to ISO 68 oil. Also during the test operated under ISO 220 oil, unpleasant sound was noticed that may be due to the boundary lubrications between the pin and plate. Effect of surface texture density on coefficient of friction and wear loss. These two figures represent the effect of texture densities for both the method of texturing, that is micro EDM and micro CNC. During the friction wear test on tribometer, the normal load was applied 30 to 120 newtons for 20-minute durations. Initially, the experimentation has been carried out under the normal load of 30 to 60 newton with 5% and 10% texture density. The friction coefficient of the test surface is observed very high for both the method, that is micro EDM and micro CNC. This is because here the lubricating oil ISO 68 exhibiting the colloidal characteristics which makes it difficult to form the uniform stable oil film on the surface contact of EN31 alloy steel that results in poor lubrication effect. From the friction wear test, it has also observed that the texture plate with 5% texture density has low coefficient of friction in comparison with the plate with 10% texture density. That signifies here at low contact pressure, the roughness of the surface had a certain effect on frictional properties of sliding surface, as higher the texture density leads to higher roughness value and therefore high coefficient of friction was more easily found. Later on, as the load on the surface increased, the friction coefficient on the texture surface were sharply reduced, this attributing to the large quantity of oil being constantly released from the micro dimples into the sliding surfaces. Thus here the lubricant contributed to achieve a steady lubricating oil film due to the squeezing effect of the load. The following figure represents the effect of texture density on wear loss with respect to normal load for both methods, that is micro-EDM and micro CNC. In both texturing method, the loss of wear decreases with increasing the applied load. From this figure, it is observed that the textured plate with 5% texture density has low wear loss in comparison with the 10% texture density for micro-EDM texturing process. These two optical micrographs represent the texture surface with 5 and 10% texture density for friction wear test. Around the micro dimples, it can be seen that the heat zone was formed due to high energy. The bulges around the dimples are little higher than the plane surface that increases the surface roughness of the textured samples. Average surface roughness measured for 5% texture and 10% textured plates are around 0.21 micrometers and 0.25 micrometers respectively. The ACM graph in figure shown below represent the worn out surfaces of the untextured surface, that is a plane surface. Here deep surface scratches and material loss could be clearly observed that represent the abrasive wear during the test. For untextured surface, it is difficult to resolve the debris and lubricant. The debris generated by friction can cause micro cutting on the untextured surface, and that can lead to more abrasive wear. Wear debris analysis. Below figure shows the ACM micrographs of micro-EDM surface having 5% and 10% texture density respectively, which represent the presence of worn surface topography as an abrasive wear. So that is also similar to the untextured surface, but here the wear area as well as the width and depth of the scratches look smaller than those on the untextured surface. These results signify that the micro dimples have an influence on wear resistance. It is observed that in textured plate, wear, debris and lubricant present between the plane and plate fill into dimple cavity, due to which friction between the plate and pin is reduced as compared to the untextured plate, and as a result of this, only shallow shaped scratches were observed on the worn out surface of the textured plate, and some original surface topography can still be observed on the plate. Conclusion. The conclusion drawn based on the experimental results are: A. The surface texturing leads to better tribological characteristics in terms of friction and wear. The cost of the surface texturing can be justified by increasing the life of material. B. The friction and wear are influenced by the geometry and the method of surface texturing. Increasing texture density leads to rise in friction and wear at constant texture depth. C. Experimentally observed that 5% texture density exhibited the best frictional properties in all conditions, as it could supply more lubricant and trap wear debris. D. Surface texturing by micro-EDM process provide better tribological characteristics with respect to micro drilling CNC process under ISO 68 oil in a lubricated condition. E. Friction reduction by surface texturing may be attributed to the hydrodynamic action, which increases the sliding gap and reduces the possibility of the material asperity contract.